Hi there, I'm Tom Mitchell, the 1 Minute Dog Trainer. Let's talk today about dog food. Dog food has been an incredible journey for me. It started with the time I was little and all the way up until this morning when I cooked sweet potatoes and hamburger for our dog. The journey has been I've tried many types of dog foods that come in bags or cans or freeze-dried or whatever it may be. And the bottom line for me is none of it works as well as just cooking some food for my dog. So we started cooking for her and she got so much healthier, put on some weight that she needed to put on. Her skin got better, her coat got better, she stopped itching so much. Now, I'm not saying you should take your dog off of dog food and cook for it. I am saying that is what I do now. And I've tried this off and on with other dogs, and it always works better that you cook for them. So, can there be a process of cooking for them and adding a little dry dog food in? Sure, if your dog has a really great system and a good digestion, then go for it. I think that's fabulous. For us, and I'm just going to show you in this little video clip here how we do it. So we start with cooked sweet potatoes, and I cook that in either some coconut oil or some ghee. Ghee is clarified butter, and we heat that up. Dogs need a higher fat content, 30+%, especially if they're really active dogs. Then I put some supplements in. You'll see through this pan of different supplements. I don't give her all those every day. Fish oil pretty much every day, maybe the glucosamine and chondroitin every day, bone marrow and beef bone. I mix it up and I give her different ones over time, and she's thriving with it. And then I mix in raw hamburger, and where we live, grass-fed beef is really easy to get. I also get organic ground beef from Costco, and that works really well also. So I just mix the raw hamburger into the sweet potato and kind of bury the supplements in there, and she loves it. And me too. Sometimes I eat it for breakfast. The same thing. Anyway, we're going to continue this series talking about different dog foods and how you can best take care of your dog. And subscribe to the 1 Minute Daily Dog Tips, and we'll keep you up to date. Thank you so much for watching. This is Tom Mitchell, the 1 Minute Dog Trainer.